Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to unbox something really cool, which is this one. So this is a Nissan Skyline GTR V8 Drift, or Hakosuka, and this is by Pop Race. And this is one of the hottest cars right now in the market. You know, specifically by Pop Race. So I was lucky enough to get one of this because after I bought this one, it got sold out. So let's unbox this and let's see how this one looks. So we do have two more pop races, which I unboxed some time back. So one is this Porsche 934, if I'm not wrong, and another one is this Toyota Yaris, which I unboxed recently. So those are really nice castings. So even though the Toyota Yaris had some issue with that rear view mirrors. So in some websites you can still order this, but honestly I'm not sure whether which website's still having this. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So here it is, the moment of truth. Oh yes, oh yes, yes. Okay, let me tell you guys. So the initial impressions of this car are like, it is heavy. It is a lot heavy, and this looks really well made and it's very beautiful. Wow, I never expected this to be this good. Okay, so you can see this acrylics for the headlights. Let me just put some more light here. GTR, and this specifically this body kit, this Phantom body kit here. Wow, that looks really beautiful. So the tail lights also you can see there is some acrylic actually. On top of that, I think they just painted the detail here, if I'm not wrong, but it still has that acrylics there, which I personally like. So this white body kit really slaps. See how menacing and same time beautiful it looks. Okay, so here's the bottom part, the chassis, upraise. So the exhaust details here, which looks really beautiful. So the both the body and the chassis both are made of actually metal. Nothing is plastic in this one. Maybe the interior you can say it is plastic. And the rims looks really beautiful. You can see the detailing here, Yokohama, Advan, and everything. This looks really beautiful. And actually the tires are made of rubber. The rims are really nice. I hope you guys can see this interior detailing a little bit. The windows are actually a bit tinted, so it's a bit hard to see. But it is really a beautiful casting. The color looks really nice. Okay, the hood is openable in this one, I think. Yeah, you need to open it this way. Yeah, here it is. Oh, that is really nice. Look at the detailing there. Oh my god. I think this part does feel like metal, but I'm really not sure whether it's metal or plastic. Wow, that looks really beautiful. Let's keep it as it is and let's open this. Okay, so the good thing is this part, which is not touching the windshields here, which is really nice. So details here are, this looks really nice. I'm really happy I actually got this one without hesitating. Initially I was a bit hesitant, but initially it was on pre-order and then it came to stock. So luckily I got it. Okay. So you can see the wipers here. So anyway, this one is not a toy which you can play with, but I really don't want to do a roll test on this because I don't want to make it icky. But let's roll it here in this carpet here. I don't want to roll it here, so let's do it. Okay, it does have some wheel wobble in the rear wheels, as you can see, but anyway we are not going to play with it. This looks really beautiful, especially the body kit here. Oh my god, they actually got a lot of details. I think I bought this for somewhere around 1800 if I'm not wrong, 700 to 1800 rupees. I can say it is worth it. The logos are really nice. The carbon fiber, the trim is really nice in this body kit. This is actually metal. Wow, that is a beautiful casting, man. That is really a beautiful casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.